Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you? Hope you will be fine and stay at home safely. Welcome to your revision class for the assessment test. This is your Geo book 6. Today we will start from the definition of geography, and this is your revision class for the assessment test. So we will just focus on the important sentences. For example, here we have just learned the definition of geography, that geo means earth and graphy means study. When we combine these two words, it gives us a complete definition of geography, that it is the study of the earth. Then come toward page number 9. On page 9 you have two blocks related to the world. In fact, the first block is related to the highest population countries, first five highest populated countries, and the second block is related to the largest countries by area wise. In these two blocks, you have to learn the numbers of the countries. For example, China is on number 1 by population, while in the second block, Russia is number 1 by area wise. Similarly, you have to learn the other countries as well from the two blocks. For example, India is on number 2nd by population, while in the second block, Canada is number 2nd by area wise. So and so on. Clear? Now come towards page number 10. On page 10 you have world. In fact, the whole page is included in your course, and it is started from the smallest country. That the smallest country of the world is Vatican City. Countries that are located into two continents, you have also learned the numbers, that these are fives, and the names as well, that Russia, Turkey, Georgia, Kazakhstan and Azerbaijan. These are the five countries that are located into two continents. Then largest forest in the world is Siberia. It is located in Russia. Then the second one is largest rainforest, and there is a difference between the rain and the largest forest. Rainforest, the forest that receive a lot of rainfall, and these two are the difference. There are a difference between these two, that the largest forest in the world is Siberia, while the largest rainforest in the world is Amazon rainforest. Clear? Then another fact is total countries in the world. How many countries are there in the world? There are 194 according to your book. There are 194 countries in the world. Then largest river in your book, there are three largest river, but the first largest river is River Nile, and it is located in continent Africa. Clear? The largest island. The name of the largest island is Greenland, and it is a part of North America. Then largest lake is Caspian Sea. It is located in Europe, Asia. The largest ocean is called Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean of the world. Then largest sea. South China Sea is the largest sea of the world. It is located in the south of China. That's why we call it South China Sea. It is the name of the sea, South China Sea. Highest mountain of the world is Mount Everest, and its height is 8,850 meters. Then another fact in this page is hottest place. The name of the hottest place is Dhalol. It is located in Ethiopia. Ethiopia is a country inside continent Africa. Then coldest place of the world. The name of the coldest place of the world is Plateau Station. It is located in Antarctica. And you know, Antarctica is also the coldest continent of the world. Clear? Then wettest place of the world. The name of the wettest place of the world is Mausanram, and it is located in Assam. Assam is a province or state of India. Driest place of the world is Atacama Desert. It is located in Chile or Chile. Both are pronounced, okay? It is located in Chile, in South America. Clear? Then largest hot desert. Largest hot desert is Sahara in continent Africa. In it almost cover 11 countries of continent Africa. Then largest cold desert is Antarctica. As I have told you before that Antarctica is also the coldest continent as well, and it is also considered to be the largest cold desert. Clear? Then another fact, most people by continent means the largest continent by population is continent Asia. The largest city by population, if we talk about cities, then the largest city by population is, first largest city by population is Tokyo. It is a capital and the city of Japan. And there is no need to learn the numbers. You have just learned the name of the city. That first largest city by population is Tokyo. Second is Delhi of India. And third is Mexico City, Mexico. Clear? Then there is another fact about the five richest country, first top richest countries of the world. First one is Luxembourg, second is Qatar, third one is Norway, the fourth is Switzerland, and the fifth one is Australia. These are the five richest countries of the world. Clear? Then major languages, there are major languages in your book are 10. From first one is Chinese, English, Hindi. Number 4 is Spanish. Number 5 is Russian. Number 6 is Arabic. Number 7 is Bengali. Number 8 is Portuguese. Number 9 is Malay Indonesian. And number 10 is French. These are the 10 major languages of the world. Then here another fact are the definition of island, that what is an island. A piece of land completely surrounded by water is called an island. You have also learned the definition of these terms as well. For example, island, lake, forest, rainforest. What are these? So this is the definition of island. Lake, a large area of water that is surrounded by land or mountains, is called lake. Forest, a large area of land that is thickly covered with trees, is called forest. Clear? Then there is another definition of rainforest. There is a difference between the forest and rainforest. Forest means an area that is thickly covered with trees, and rainforest is found in the areas near the equator and are warm. Rainforests receive a lot of rain and also called equatorial or tropical forest. The trees in rainforest have a rapid growth as compared to the other forest. Clear? Then come toward your next page, that is start from page number 11. Here we have introduction about continent Europe. You know we have 7 continent in the world and Europe is one of them. You clear? Here some fact about of continent Europe, that how many countries, which is the largest country or the smallest countries, and some other information regarding to continent Europe. Let's start from the first fact, that is about the countries, that how many countries are there in continent Europe. Total countries in continent Europe are 45. The largest country is Russia. You know, Russia is also the largest country of the world as well, and also the largest country of continent Europe. Then if we talk about the smallest country, it is Vatican City. And you know Vatican City is also the smallest country of the world as well. You know the interesting fact about continent Europe, that the world largest country and the world's smallest country, Russia and Vatican City, both are located in continent Europe. Then this is Vatican City, the smallest country of continent Europe. Then if we talk about the major religions, the major religions of continent Europe is Christianity. If we talk about the major currency, the major currencies are euro and pound. These are the symbol of pound and this is the symbol of euro. Then another information about continent Europe is Scandinavian countries. What is mean by Scandinavian countries? There is a definition of a few countries in the northern Europe are called Scandinavian countries, and you know Scandinavian countries mean dangerous countries because of its location. These countries are located near the water, near the Atlantic Ocean, And the name of these countries are, these are five. You have to learn the numbers as well as the names of these countries also. Clear? So these are five in numbers, and the name of these countries are Norway, number 2 is Sweden, number 3 is Denmark, number 4 is Finland, and number 5 is Iceland. Then there is information about the rivers. Although there are so many rivers in continent Europe, but here we are just discussing about the major rivers that flow through Europe. You have also learned the numbers as well as the name of these rivers. Clear? The first one is Danube, number second is Elbe, number third is Rhine, number four is Rhone, number five is Thames, number six is Seine, and number seven is Volga. Clear, students? These you have to learn the names as well as the numbers, that how many rivers flow through Europe? 7. And you also learn the names as well. For example, the names of these rivers may also come in the blank. Clear? Okay, this is all about your today's revision class. You have to learn all this information thoroughly and attempt your paper carefully. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.